Good morning, students. In the previous class, we are discussed about the classification of organic compounds. Organic classification na previous class alli discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. In this class, we are going to be discussing about the functional group. It is a functional group. Already people are learned about the functional group in the lower classes, I think so. It is what is meant by functional group? Means it is defined as an atom or a group of atoms which determines the characteristic properties of a organic compound. Characteristic properties of a organic compound is called as a functional group. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? There is an atom ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ group of atoms ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು or a group of atoms which determines the characteristic properties of a compound. Characteristic properties of a compound is called as a functional group. Some of the examples for that is functional groups is compound. Example we are going to be taken, that is the compound and the functional group present in that compound. If you are going to be taken as a alcohol, that is if you are going to be taken as a in the alcohols, that is the functional group is OH. The functional group is OH. Then next aldehydes, the functional group is CHO. Then carboxylic acid, it is COOH. Then ketone. For the ketone, we are going to take as the CO. The ketone functional group. Then nitro group for NO2. Then cyanide, for the cyanide CN. Like this only, we will go for the another few compounds, that is amines, that is NH2. Then amide, CONH2. Then if you are going to be acid chloride, for the acid chloride COCl. This is about the functional groups of the few compounds, for the few types of compounds. Means any functional group present in the compound which is going to be determines the overall characteristics of the compound. That is about the functional group. The next we are going to be discussing about the homologous series. The homologous series. Next we are going to be discussing about the homologous series. What is meant by homologous series? A series of compounds, that is a series of compounds possess the same functional group and having the similar chemical properties. Is called as a homologous series. Andre same a series of compounds alli same functional group irbeku, adar jotege same chemical properties na torisbeku andadana the series of compounds na navu enanta kariತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ homologous series. A series of compounds which is having the same functional group and having the similar chemical properties is called as a homologous series. The different compounds in a series is called as a homologous then the process is called as a homology. The process is called as a, andre you suppose alcohols ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಅವರನ್ನ ಏನು homologous ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಆ process ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? that we call as a homology. We'll take this example for this homologous series. That is when it comes to the example for this means that is methyl alcohol. The general formula is that is CH3. Molecular formula is CH3OH. Then ethyl alcohol. For ethyl alcohol, the general molecular formula is CH3CH2OH. Then methyl, ethyl, then propyl alcohol. The molecular formula is CH3CH2OH. Then butyl alcohol, that is CH3CH2OH. You can observe these are the different compounds present in a series. These all together we call as a homologous series. This all together we call as a homologous series. These members we call as a homologous. This process we call as a homology. In this you can observe in all the compounds is having the same functional group. Therefore, it is a homologous series of alcohol. This we call as a homologous series of alcohol. Like that only, we will take the many examples in the organic compounds. That is homologous series. Many examples we can view. That is alkanes. These are, you people are familiar. Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Then aldehydes, the carboxylic acids, etc. These are all we can view the example for, that is homologous series. Means what are the characteristics of this homologous series? The characteristics of homologous series is means the members of the homologous series having the general molecular formula. They are having the general molecular formula. ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಜನರಲ್ ಹೋಮೋಲಾಗಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ if you are going to take an example for the alkanes is an example for homologous series. This alkanes having the general molecular formula that is CnH2n plus 2. This is the general molecular formula for the alkanes. Like that only for the alkenes also having the general molecular formula that is CnH2n. This is the general molecular formula for alkenes. For alkynes that is CnH2n minus 2. This is the general molecular formula for the alkynes. Then carboxylic acid that we have CnH2n plus 1 OH. This is the COH. This is COOH. This is the general molecular formula for the carboxylic acid. If suppose this alcohols, we are going to be taken as here OH. Instead of COH, we are going to be taken as the OH. For the these are homologous series of alcohols. Then for this we can written as general molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. This is the general molecular formula for the alcohols. Means this is one of the characteristics of the homologous series. Means the members of the homologous series is going to be possess a same general molecular formula 1. Then the members of the homologous series having the similar chemical properties. Means the next characteristic is that is the gradual changes. The gradual changes in the physical properties like melting point, density are in the members of the homologous series. In the members of the homologous series ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, gradual changes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ physical properties ಯಾವುದು, melting point ಆಗಿರಲಿ, density ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಈ ತರ physical properties ಅಲ್ಲಿ gradual changes, either may be increase, either may be decrease. It is going to be gradual changes in the properties. Then another characteristics means these members of the homologous series having the same functional group. Members of the homologous alcohol, that is alcohol homologous series, is having the same functional group. You can observe OH only present in the functional group. Means the members of the homologous series having the same functional group, which having the same functional group. These are the main characteristics of the homologous series. Homologous series characteristics ಏನು, first ಇದು same properties ಇರುತ್ತೆ, same chemical properties ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then it is having the general molecular formula. Members of the homologous series having the general molecular formula. Then it is having that physical properties like melting point, density. Members ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, gradual changes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, the successive members of the homologous series are differed by the CH2 group. You can observe, means the difference between the methyl alcohol and the ethyl alcohol is, that is CH2. Addition of the CH2, we are going to be get the ethyl alcohol. For ethyl alcohol, addition of CH2, we are going to be get the propyl alcohol. Then addition of CH2 to the propyl alcohol, we are going to be get the butyl alcohol. Means the successive members of the family of the homologous series are differed by the CH2 group. Then the members of the homologous series having the same functional group. You can observe same functional group. These are the main characteristics of the homologous series. The next we are going to be discussing about the IUPAC nomenclature of the organic compounds. It is very important for the you people. Not only now, it is will be in the higher studies also. It is very important. About the nomenclature of the organic compounds. Nomenclature means naming of the organic compounds. Naming ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಟೈಮು ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಪುರೋಹಿತರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಸರಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ದೇವರ ಹೆಸರು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ತಾತ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೆಸರು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ನವೆ ಡೇಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಡೇ ಬಾರ್ನ್, ಯಾವಾಗ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಡೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಆ ತಾತ ಹೆಸರು ಅಥವಾ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೆಸರು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಆ ತರ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿವಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು IUPAC ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಈ ಟ್ರಿವಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ದ ಟ್ರಿವಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಒಪ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟರಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್, ಹಿಸ್ಟರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ discovery of that organic compound. Based on that they are giving the name to the compound. But in the IUPAC system is not like that. It is based on the some rules ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಯಾವ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಇಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು IUPAC ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ Union Pure and Applied Chemistry. This has given some rules to name the organic compound. The first we are going to be discussing about the first system, that is the nomenclature of the organic compounds from the two types. First one is trivial system. The second one is that is IUPAC system. The first we are going to be discussing about the trivial system. Trivial system means it is the older method naming of the organic compounds. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಅದರ ನೇಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ this is based on the source and the history of the compound. Like that, formic acid. Example for this is formic acid. That is formic acid. This formic acid is derived from the Latin word ಯಾವುದು? Formicus. Yeah, the formicus means is nothing but it's a red ant. Means this formic acid is obtained from the red ant. Therefore, the word the formic acid is going to be given for this compound, that is HCOOH. For this compound, the name given to this compound is formic acid. This word is obtained from the Latin word, that is formicus. The formicus is nothing but red ant. Formicus is nothing but red ant. Like that only acetic acid. The acetic acid means that is CH3COOH. This is the acetic acid. This acetic acid is obtained from the Latin word. The name of this compound is acetic acid. This is obtained from the Latin word, that is acetium. Is nothing but vinegar. That is the meaning of this is vinegar. That is used for the food purpose and all. This vinegar. This vinegar means this acetic acid is obtained from the vinegar. Therefore, the name is given to this is acetic acid. Like that only butyric acid. The butyric acid is obtained from the butter. That's why the name is given to butyric acid. If suppose like this only, for the branched compounds, they are going to be given that the branched compounds, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. The name is given to this compound is N-butane. N-butane. Then if suppose the CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3, the name is given to this compound is isobutane. Then like this only, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3 means the number of carbon atoms is 5. Therefore, the name is given to this compound is N-pentane. Suppose like this CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. For this, they are given isopentane. If suppose this only, we are going to be written like this means there is CH3, 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 CH3. For this neopentane. Like this, the name you can observe in these three. Presence of number of carbons is same, number of hydrogens is same, but is written in the branch chain. Means straight chain ನಾವು n ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಐಸೋ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿವಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಈ ಟ್ರಿವಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾರೇನೋ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ನೇಮ್ ಏನು ನೇಮು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ನೇಮು ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, some scientist has given some rules to give the name of the compound. That we are going to be discussed in the next class. This about the trivial system of naming the that is organic compounds. This they won't ask in the examination. Previous system examination ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದು UPSC system. The UPSC system is very important for the examination purpose. We'll discuss in the next class.